Alright guys, what supplements do I take? What do I do when I want to lean out? What should I take when I want to get bulky? When I want to get thick? Alright guys, in this video I'm going to be going over the supplements I take, supplements for different goals of mine, what you should take for your current goal, and how to structure a plan to maximize the effects of these supplements. Let's get into the video. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Let's see if this what works. Alright guys, so first things first, supplements are nothing that's gonna get you those magic results you're looking for. You're not gonna get a six-pack, you're not gonna get shredded six-pack abs by taking this magic supplement, by taking these magic fat burner pills. You're not gonna get this huge muscular physique by taking mass gainer, by taking 2 protein shakes a day for the next 30 days. I'm sorry guys, I'm sorry to burst your bubble. If you're here looking for a quick fix, if you think that supplements are gonna get you those type of results, you're wrong. You should probably click off this video now. If you wanna put in the work, if you're motivated, if you wanna make this into a lifestyle, go ahead and stay on this video. Make sure to hit that like button, that subscribe button for more videos, more recipes. New videos every week, guys, so make sure to subscribe. Go over to Instagram, follow me there, shots_G. Let me know you came from here. First things first, supplements are going to supplement whatever you're doing. If you have a set plan, if you have a set training plan, you have a set nutrition plan, supplements are gonna help expedite results. They're gonna supplement your current routine, your current regimen, your current plan. So I highly recommend you throw supplements into your plan. The next point I wanna make is goal. Whether your goal is to lean out, whether your goal is to maintain, whether your goal is to bulk up a little bit. And by bulk up, I don't mean get crazy huge and get fat. I mean, stack on size, good size though, good muscle. That's what you want. You don't want to just gain huge size and then have all this extra fat on you, because that's going to make cutting a whole lot harder for you. I recommend going on a lean bulk. But depending on what your goal is at the time, different supplements are going to come into play for your current goal. My goal right now is to lean out for the summer. I'm currently weighing about 150. My lean bulk has come to an end. I think my lowest weigh-in so far has been 148.1, so super pumped about that. I hit that last week. My current goal is to lean out, so I'm going to take you through the supplements I'm currently taking for my current goal, which is to lean out a bit. Right off the bat, I want to maximize my gains. I want to maximize the muscle that I keep on. When you're eating in a caloric deficit, to lean out, you're going to lose a little bit of size. So in order to make sure that I'm getting enough protein, because my protein is high right now, right around 174 grams of protein, I'm gonna take a protein supplement. So I like to take whey protein. I got 1UP Nutrition Whey Isolate here. This stuff is amazing. It tastes super good. It has about 24 grams or 25 grams of protein per serving. So a quick scoop of that is already 25 grams of protein right off the bat. If you have a hard time hitting your protein shakes in the morning, right off the bat, protein shakes at night before bed are awesome ways to finish off your macros to make sure you're getting protein. The next point I want to make about protein is it doesn't sit well with some people, me including. Sometimes it bloats my stomach. I feel like crap. I need to go to the bathroom instantly after I take a protein shake. Lately, since I started using the 1UP Whey, I have never had that. And I've always been sensitive to whey protein. So I'm not just saying that because I am an ambassador for them, but because I haven't had those symptoms. If I had those symptoms, I would refer you to something else. But this 1UP Whey hasn't hurt my stomach. So if you are pretty sensitive though, and you can't do whey, you can't do soy, I highly recommend you check out 1UP Nutrition's. I highly recommend you check out 1UP Nutrition's vegan protein. Tastes amazing. It does taste a little greener. When you try it out, you'll know what I mean by that. It tastes like very earthy. It is plant-based, but it tastes amazing. It mixes really well, and it doesn't hurt my stomach. It won't hurt your stomach either. It's super good. And this also has about 25 grams of protein in it, and it's just amazing. So right off the bat, make sure you're getting your protein, enough protein to conserve as much muscle mass as possible, because the more muscle mass we have, the more fat you'll burn naturally throughout the whole day. So that's always a plus. The next biggest thing I want to make a point on is your vitamins. So every day I take 2 fish oil first thing in the morning, along with a vitamin C supplement. There's nothing worse than getting sick, either like a head cold, maybe the flu, that sort of thing, and having to miss sessions. Your eating's off, your appetite is super shitty. Not only that, but it throws everything off. So I always make sure I get fish oil. That's for more of like the bones, the joints, especially since I do functional fitness, CrossFit. I have to be very mobile. So with that, the joints are healthy and it just helps overall. And I make sure I take my vitamin C every day because I want a strong immune system. Not only that, but I also make sure I get fruits and veggies throughout the day, every day, to make sure that my micronutrients are in, that my immune system is healthy and strong, because I want to be healthy. This is a healthy lifestyle that we're living. We're not looking to get sick. We're not looking to be weak and fragile or just starve ourselves and look good, but really you're not healthy inside and out. So the next biggest thing is little vitamins like that. Moving on, since I am cutting, my cardio's been on point, my nutrition's been on point. The next thing that can help me expedite that fat loss is gonna be fat burners. So I do fat burners because they're not gonna burn fat like crazy. You're not gonna take it and then you're gonna get shredded all of a sudden. These help fat loss goals. So right here I have L-carnitine from One Up Nutrition. It's called the L-carnitine 3000. This is basically just an amino acid that helps aid in fat loss. It's non-stim. It helps convert fat into energy, so it uses the fat as your workout fuel basically. It's non-stimulant, so you can't feel this process happening. Everything has to be on point. It has to be consistently in your system for a few days. You have to be taking it on a consistent basis for your body to actually notice that it's there, and then it actually has the effects. But not only that, but it'll help with your recovery and endurance. It is an amino acid, and as we know, amino acids are the building blocks of protein, and protein helps you recover. So L-carnitine is thrown in there. I take 15 milliliters every morning on an empty stomach. On top of that, I take a CLA supplement. It's conjugated linoleic acid. Conjugated linoleic acid. I take 2 pills every morning on an empty stomach as well. So I take these together, 15 milliliters, 2. Take my L-carnitine, this is in a liquid form, then I throw in the pills and then just wash it down with a huge glass of water. Gets my metabolism ramped, I go to the bathroom immediately and gets me going for the day. Like I said, these two paired together with a good cardio regimen and diet being on point are amazing. They help you expedite that fat loss. I'm not saying you're gonna get crazy results, you're gonna get shredded and get a six pack, but you are gonna notice the difference if your cardio is on point, if your nutrition's on point, sleep is on point also. That's gonna help you, and I highly recommend these because if you have everything else dialed in, this is another little thing that'll give you an edge. And honestly, like when I have these on hand, I know it's time to cut. I know that my diet has to be on point. I know that I can't be skipping cardio sessions. And me personally, I don't skip cardio sessions. I love to do cardio. Why? Because I don't do caffeine, so it's more of like a pre-workout. It gets my mind right, it gets my body warm. When I go hit my workout, whether it's a strength session like heavy back squats, heavy power cleans, whatever it is, my body's good to go, my body's fresh and it's warmed up. So that's kind of like a cue, like, hey, get on the cardio. Hey, the cardio is a cue to go crush the workout. A good cardio session mixed with a good workout, knowing that I'm taking supplements just helps me stay on my diet and keep it on point. And at the end of the day, when I know I hit my macros, when I didn't screw up on anything, when I know that I didn't cheat myself, I know I'm making progress. I'm getting closer to that end goal, to that body that I want, to that physique that I want. And overall, you just feel good. You feel confident. You just feel strong, man. So highly recommend you do it. Whenever you set out to hit a goal, that you hit it every single day and you count your wins daily, because those daily wins are gonna add up to that bigger goal, man. Brick by brick, day by day. At the end of the day, you're gonna reach that goal. And why do people fail? Because they can't see that end goal. They don't have the end goal in mind. So keep that end goal in mind every day. In the morning when you don't wanna get up, during your cardio when it's tough and you wanna stop, during that weight session when you don't really wanna go heavy but you know you should, when you see that person eating that slice of pizza but you know you have to eat a salad, or you know you have to eat a protein shake, you always keep that end goal in mind. You know how you're gonna feel once you reach the goal. At the end of the day, if you reach your goals, that feeling you're gonna get, that satisfaction you're gonna get, that's what it's about there. And once you reach that goal, it doesn't stop there. You feel amazing that you stuck on your plan for 12 weeks, for 16 weeks, for however long it was, for a year. If your goal was extreme weight loss, you're gonna feel good, and it doesn't stop there. You just wanna keep crushing it, keep reaching and striving for more. So that's what it's about, man. The next biggest supplement that I take is a pre-workout supplement. Currently, I don't do caffeine, so pre-workout supplements have been out of the door for me for the past year. Of coming up on a year, or if not, I already hit the year of no caffeine. I just didn't want to be controlled by caffeine, or having to take caffeine in order to get energy to power through my day, to have good days and that sort of thing. So I stopped taking it, and guess what? I'm coming up on a year of no caffeine, so no pre-workout. I gotta admit, it was tough at first because taking pre-workout is kind of like a mental cue, like, hey, let's go crush this workout. It's time to go work out. But that's where the cardio and the running came in, and so it honestly evened out, and I feel great. My energy level is way better. I feel more clear, less brain fog throughout the day. And on top of that, my sleep is amazing. So with all that being said, if you do take caffeine and you do take it with the balance in terms of you not taking crazy amounts of it, pre-workout can help you. So whether that's a cup of coffee, whether that's green tea, or you decide to take a 1-up pre-workout supplement, this can help you during your cutting phase, during your bulking phase, whatever it may be. It's gonna give you that extra edge. It's gonna give you that kick from the caffeine. Not only that, but it's gonna have ingredients in there to enhance your endurance, to enhance your pump you get whether you're doing bodybuilding style workouts, and it's gonna give you focus from the caffeine and just energy. So overall, a pre-workout supplement might be the key in terms of powering through your workout, getting the extra edge during your workout, and overall it's just gonna help you. So I highly recommend you take a pre-workout supplement, whether that's pre-workout, stim-free pre-workout, pre-workout with caffeine, whether you have just even like a BCAA drink that you chug and then you kill. It's more of like that mental cue of getting prepped. And at the end of the day, again, if you have pre-workout on hand, stuff's not the cheapest, but it is fairly priced. You're not gonna wanna waste it. So once you take pre-workout, you have it on hand, you're like, hey, I might as well go and price this workout, I might as well get the results that I'm looking for. Right now, that's currently what I'm doing. Those are the supplements I'm personally taking for my goal to lean out for the summer. I'm looking to lose right around 10 pounds. I've already lost about 2. So again, guys, the biggest key here is gonna be to make sure your training is on point, your cardio is on point, and your nutrition. Your nutrition is the key to all the success. If you have all that dialed in, you want the extra edge, you wanna be more efficient with your meals, you wanna be more efficient to get the most out of your results with the cardio and training, I highly recommend you start taking supplements. Take a protein supplement, maybe something to help aid with fat loss, maybe something to help you with power through your workouts on those days you're just feeling low energy, you're tired, and make sure you're staying healthy and take some multivitamins. All this stuff can be found at oneupnutrition.com. They have amazing deals. They're really good quality products. They're fairly priced. And on top of that, they have deals going on, say 20% off the entire website, buy 4 or more things and you get an extra 10% off. And if you use my code SHOTSG, you'll get an additional 20% off your order on top of any sale that they have going on. So that's gonna save you some cash. That's gonna help me grow, and we all win. We all make gains. We all reach our goals together because we're in this together, man. The Breakfast Club. We're out here craving the grind. So that's gonna do it for my current supplement stack regimen that I'm doing right now. And a little bonus tip, you wanna maximize your results if you're cutting or bulking, whatever it is, get at least 8 hours of sleep. Some people can do it off of 6, but play with it, trial and error. One night, do 6 hours, one night, 8 hours, one night, 10 hours. See where you feel the best, where you perform the best with your workouts, and I will guarantee you that your fat loss is gonna freaking shoot through the roof. Your workouts are gonna be amazing. You're gonna feel amazing throughout the day energy-wise. Sleep is a huge, huge, huge factor in physical goals, physical gains, mental gains, everything. So make sure your sleep is on point, man. Make sure you're optimizing it. Make sure you're optimizing your diet. Make sure you're optimizing your supplement routine, and go out there and crush it. If you guys need help with training and nutrition, let me help you find that fun and excitement in your training and nutrition. I'd love to help you guys out. Apply for personalized one-on-one coaching. The link is gonna be in the description. Stay tuned for videos, 2 new videos every week, so you don't wanna miss out. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. As always, Breakfast Club CTG, we out this beat.